Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn your good old 3D model into a pixel. Without further ado, let's begin. Now, first thing before we begin, let me just quickly tell you about the processes. Now, there's two steps actually. First, you get your model, it could be anything, and you're going to turn it into a cell shading. Then after that, there's a step in the rendering settings where you just lower the resolution and it will kind of be pixel. Now, yeah, it's just that. Now, the reason we didn't just lower the resolution right there is because if we lower the resolution directly, it wouldn't give off that pixel vibe, but more of a low resolution image vibe. So when we add a cell shading, it has less color options. So it doesn't have that much like differences in colors, but more just two color tones for like a certain solid color. So then when you render it out as a pixel, it will look like a pixel you might see in some games and stuff. Now, you can't really use this in like game engines yet. It's just a rendering setting for Blender. So yeah, if you guys want to see how to do it in maybe for say Unity, maybe you can leave a comment down below if you guys are interested, and maybe I can make a video about that. But without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first thing, let's click on general right here, and I have a Mr.Tomato model made, which you can download in the link in the description. Although, I mean, you don't really need to use my model. You can use, I mean, anything you want. You can use a monkey or anything, maybe even your own models. But as a demonstration for today, I'll be using Mr.Tomato. So let's delete our default cube, and we're gonna go to File, Append. Now, this is just for importing my model. So a page will show up, and we just need to go to wherever we saved it. And then you're gonna click on the File, Collection, and then Collection right there. So now we have our model added. Now, if you look very closely, this black right here that I have right here is kind of pitch black. So maybe we want to kind of lower the tone so it's a little bit more gray. So let's go to texture paint since this is what I use. Okay, so first let's go into edit mode and select the black parts. So the arm right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, and the parts right here. Oh, this one. Then we're gonna press Ctrl+ to select all of them. Let's go back to the painting mode. So we're gonna go to this fill tool right here, and we can lower the darkness to a little bit of a dark gray, and then we just apply it on here. There wouldn't be much significant difference, but you can kind of see it. Okay, so now, yeah, that's it. Now we can go to the next part, which is shading. So first thing, we're gonna set up our regular old cell shading. Now, what difference there is from last time is that we're using a image texture to add to this, so we have a little bit more setting up to do. So as usual, let's add a shader to RGB, and let's add a color ramp. So yeah, these are the two fundamentals for cell shading. Then we can lower we can change the linear to constant, and then lower the black like this, so we have something like this. Right, looking good. So now the thing to do is we're gonna move this right here. Let's unplug it, and we're gonna move it over here. Shift A, search, and we're gonna add a mix node. We're gonna change the type from float to color. Then we're gonna plug this in here and plug this in here. Let's switch the places. So it's like something like this. Then we're gonna change from mix to multiply, so that this thing is multiplying on top of this instead of kind of, you know, mixing it together directly. Now you might want to adjust the factors here a little bit, so you might see the shader thing here a little bit. Maybe you can adjust the color ramp if you want. So we'll have something like this. Yeah, that's nice. Let's go to render preview so we can see what we have to work with. I'm gonna move the lighting a little bit over here so it's a little bit better. And I'm gonna move my camera a little bit closer. So we have something like that. So yeah, overall we have our cell shading set up. Now all we have to do is go to this output properties right here, and we just need to lower the percentage right here. So like, I don't know, up to you. It depends on how much resolution you want for it. So maybe 15, I'll go for it for now. Let's see, render image. Now the rendering output thing might be small. It's gonna be something like that up there. Let's make it full screen. And yeah, we have something like this looking good. And now you can kind of take this and kind of use it wherever you want. I personally use it in Adobe Illustrator sometimes. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you think I did anything wrong here, or like maybe there's some spots I can improve, please leave down in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.